Good morning, children. Thought for the day. If you love life, don't waste time. For time is what life is made up of. This quote by Bruce Lee gives us advice to always respect the time and never waste it in life because life is made up of time and we can never get back the time which one passes. So, to truly love life is to never waste time. So, without wasting any time, let's get started with our new chapter, Measurement of Physical Quantities. Since the title itself is new for you, so let us first try and understand some basic terms. Physics. Physics is a branch of science that deals with the study of natural phenomena. The word physics comes from a Greek word meaning nature. So, physics is a study of nature, natural phenomenon. We can broadly describe physics as a study of the basic laws of nature. Chapter number 6, Measurement of Physical Quantities. Observe and discuss how are the various articles and materials shown in the picture measured. You can see brinjal, pumpkin, onions, potatoes, French beans, and many similar vegetables are weighed in gram and kilogram. We call it weight in our day-to-day colloquial language, but actually it is the mass that is measured. The next one is the spool of thread. It has thread which is measured in meters, right? The bunch of leafy green vegetables are measured in numbers. Milk in the glass is measured in liters. There is a diamond in the gold ring. The purity of gold is measured in carats. 24 carats means 100% pure gold. In case of diamond, carat is the measure of the mass of diamond. 1 carat diamond is equal to that is 0.20 gram or 200 milligram. The cloth is measured in meters. So children, you can see that different quantities which are existing naturally, they are not measured by just one particular unit. They are measured by using different units. In day-to-day life, we measure many things such as the weight of fruits, vegetables, food grains, temperature of the body or some liquids, volume of liquids, density of various substances, speed of vehicles, etc. Quantities such as mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume, these all are called as physical quantities. Now let us see what is a physical quantity. It is a quantity that can be measured. For example, length, mass, speed, velocity, time, etc. Then what is a non-physical quantity? It is a quantity which cannot be measured. For example, like wish, sorrow, hate. Can you measure them? No. So these are non-physical quantities. Measurement. Now let us understand what measurement means. Measurement is a comparison with some accepted standard, which is called the unit of that physical quantity. For example, when you are growing up, as your height is increasing, What do? You compare your height either with your mother's height or your father's height. You take your mother or father, for example, as standard, and you compare your height with theirs. But physics is a branch of science, and here the comparison that is made with a accepted standard, and hence it is called the unit of that physical quantity. A standard unit for measurement of a physical quantity is called the unit of that physical quantity. Physical quantities and units. Physical quantities describe physical properties of an object by measurements. It consists of magnitude. Magnitude, what does it mean? Magnitude means a amount. And unit is something, what is the scale that is used to measure. For example, a value and a unit are used to express the magnitude of a physical quantity. For example, Swarali walks 2 kilometers every day. In this example, 2 is the value and kilometer is the unit. And to express the magnitude of the distance, which is a physical quantity. Okay. Qualitative versus quantitative. These two terms also you must have heard earlier also. Let us understand them better. Qualitative means descriptive and quantitative means it will have some numbers. For example, describe the mass of the mango qualitatively. Then how will you describe? The mango has a large mass. Describe the mass of the mango quantitatively. The mass of the mango is 150 gram. So this is the amount. There is some number. There is some unit. In that case, it means it has a magnitude. What is magnitude? Magnitude will have value and a unit. These together make a magnitude. So these are some of the terms that you need to understand before moving further ahead. So learn these terms again and again and be prepared to move ahead. Thank you.